Hello everyone. I hope you're all safe. So today's session is about the difference between sepia and lillium twig. Sepia is from animal kingdom and lillium twig is from plant kingdom. That is the first difference. Here, they both are very similar in nature. So we'll understand the difference between these two. Majorly in the female sexual organs. So the first symptoms where we can get is menses. In sepia, menses are too late and scanty and irregular. Sepia is used most of the cases where there is PCOD. So think of it. Think sepia has a PCOD remedy. So you can write the menses of the sepia, like it is too late and scanty and irregular, which is the most common symptoms of PCOD. Here in lillium twig, when you see the plant of the lillium twig, as I have shown here, it is so bright red, so colorful. So you can add that. Here in menses, it is early, scanty, dark clotted. You can see there is dark spots in the flower, so you can remember this picture and you can write the menses of lillium twig. So this is the second difference. Coming to leucorrhea, sepia leucorrhea is yellow greenish with much itching. This is the major difference you have to remember, like yellow greenish with much itching. There is itching in sepia. Here in lillium twig, it is acrid brown, which is excoriating. Lillium twig leucorrhea is more excoriating than sepia. This is the third difference. Coming to the prolapses, in sepia there is prolapse of uterus and vagina. Here in lillium twig also there is prolapse of uterus, but lillium twig is a major remedy for congestion. So you have to mention congestion of uterus, prolapse, and anteversion is also present. When you come to the bearing down sensation, both have got the same bearing down sensation. Here in sepia, there is bearing down sensation as if everything would escape through vulva, must cross the limbs to prevent protrusion or press against vulva. Here the important things are must cross the limb to prevent the escape or press against vulva. Remember this part. In lillium twig, there is a bearing down sensation, but the important part is there is urgent desires for stools. As though all organs would escape, it ceases when resting. Constant desire to support parts externally. This ceases when resting. You can remember like lillium twig is a plant remedy. So it has to rest. It will be in a resting position. So it ceases when resting. This is a tip which can which I can add so that you can remember. This is how I remember, like lillium twig is a plant remedy, so this bearing down sensation all ceases when the lady is in resting position. Next, coming to the modalities, here I have mentioned two major modalities. In sepia, there is amelioration when violent exertion. When the person is in violent exertion, there is amelioration, and also in the afternoon. Here in lillium twig, aggravation afternoon and amelioration diverting mind and busying about. So these two are vice versa, which gives you a major difference in it. This is it. If you can add more things to it. This I have more stressed on female sexual organs. You can even give there is one more difference in the anus, like there is a pressure in anus in lillium twig, but there is a weight like heavy balls feeling in anus in sepia. You can add that one also, and you can add some mental symptoms. Like in sepia there is indifference, in lillium take the patient curses, she's so what to say, sad, like that. You can add some mind symptoms also. I hope you all like this video. Please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.